Okay, guys, to finish our discussion here on this particular one, so they don't always give us the number of moles. That's just not the way because we don't measure in moles in our chemistry lab. If we're in the lab, we're going to measure out in grams on a scale, on a balance. So let's see an example where we get that. So we're going to take carbon monoxide and hydrogen, and we're going to produce methanol, so CH3OH. So we're going to do that particular chemical reaction. And this one, they're just going to give us, there's our chemical reaction, CO plus 2H2 gives us CH3OH. Okay, balanced chemical equation. But in this one, they're going to give us the mass of the two reactants. 9.8 grams of carbon monoxide, 1.3 grams of hydrogen gas. So, just like the example we just saw where we were able to do a comparison, we got to find the limiting reagent. That's the thing we need to do in order to continue to find, because what we want to find is the mass of this guy over here. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is going to find the number of moles. So mass, 9.8 divided by the molar mass of carbon monoxide, 2801. Again, remember, whatever your calculator spits out, I'll bring that a little closer. Whatever your calculator spits out, take all the digits. It's not significant digits until the very end, so keep all those digits there so that we make sure we get as accurate as possible in our ratios. So 0.34988. On the other side, we're going to do the number of moles of hydrogen. 1.3 divided by, remember, it's 2.02 because it's H2. Grams per mole gives us 0.64356. Okay, so we've got the number of moles of each. So just like the last one, now we're going to do a comparison with our ratio over here. The ratio of carbon monoxide to hydrogen is 1 to 2 from our balanced chemical equation. So if I have 0.34998 moles of carbon monoxide, that means I'm going to need double that, 0.69976. That's how many moles of hydrogen gas I'm going to need, 0.69976. Go back. Do you have 0.69976? Answer, no, you don't. And if you don't have the amount that you need, then that's the limiting reagent. So now we've determined the limiting reagent, and that's important. Because now that I have the limiting reagent, now I know where to focus. Now I'm going to look at the ratio between hydrogen, the limiting reagent, and the product, which is the mass I'm looking for. So we go down here, we do the same thing. The ratio of hydrogen to CH3OH, 2 to 1. So I take not this number, that's what I needed, but I don't have, take the number of moles that you actually have right here. In this case, divide it by 2, get the number of moles of CH3OH that you're going to have, and then take that number of moles and multiply it by the molar mass, 32.02 grams per mole, get our answer, 10.3. So this is very similar to what we saw in our last lessons where we had a mass, we found the number of moles, use the ratio to find the mass of the other substance. Same thing here. The only difference is before you can do that, that's from here, here, and here, my 3 steps that I did before. Only difference is first, I have to find the number of moles of both things that they give me and use that ratio to determine which of those 2 mole numbers I'm going to use to continue along. Okay, I'm anticipating there'll be some questions on this, so please send them. We'll go through the breakdown together. Maybe I'll do little videos and explain as we go through it. All right, so hopefully you're successful with those, but yeah, please ask the questions, send them to me, whatever questions you might have. And we're almost on chapter 7. We'll finish it up early next week. Okay, guys, good luck with those, and keep the questions coming. Take care.